I'm recording. Okay. In front of my face, but it was too bright, so I took the envelope and I put it over the lights. Voila! Here's without the envelope. Washed out. Boy, a lot of light. Here's the envelope I'm talking about. Something that you would normally throw away. This Tyvek envelope. And I just take and put it over my light. I just slid it right into the light. I'm trying to do little webcam videos using the software that came with the Rocketfish webcam that I'm recording with right now. I'll link to the video in the doobly-doo at the bottom of this. It's out, it's choppy, it's this, it's that. I just tried Google Hangouts and YouTube webcam upload seems to be working the best. I adjusted my audio level so they look like they're pretty doggone good. And so this, I guess I could talk about stuff if I have around here. Oh, I was going to take off my glasses because they reflect the light, and we're looking at it was kind of annoying to me. Stuff, well, you know. Right here, raw. And this episode is brought to you. So here's a little lesson. We'll just give you a little lesson here in terms of light and pictures. See, the light is straight on with the card. If you turn it at a little angle like this, yeah. But if you try, that works for glass. See, if you're shooting somebody's glasses reflection, you have them turn it a little bit to the side. Whoa, come on, turn. There we are. Shoot them on the side, do not get that reflection of the light, and you can kind of see, there's the light. So this has got to be probably, what is this, a 45-degree angle? So that's how you shoot people with glasses on and you've got lights. Just have them tilt their head a little bit, and I'm tilting my head a little bit, but now I can look into the camera and you're not going to get the reflection off my glasses. But you know, this is how I really want to relate, but you're getting that heavy reflection off my glasses. Anyway, trick trade, as they say. Anyway, if it's been this long, nobody's going to watch this. Nobody. So this is another test of the camera. And I will see you next time. Here's the ball. One thing I would like to report is it's been for about 24 hours now. And rain. Hey, it's Friday the 13th. July, Friday the 13th. And it's crazy. It's warm, we're on shorts. Just rain. Thunder. Lightning last night. Got up at, well, I was already up like at 3 o'clock, but then it really started at 4 o'clock. But pretty crazy. And I planted the purple kale this morning, which is cool, and more plants. Planted 15 cucumber plants, and I think I have 4 cucumber plants left. I have another 5, so 9. So I'm hoping, but the problem is the snails and the slugs like the starts and they wipe them out. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why they've been tanking, because they sure have been getting a lot of water over the last week. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's thunder. Thunder, no lightning. I think it could be another sleepless night for me. What do they say? Peace out, boys. Peace out. There, I'm gonna click out. Hasta, baby.